Baidrath. Baidrath Lakshmivilash Ras Nardiya. Ayurved. Ayurved medicine. Useful in cold. Useful in cold and skin disease. More about it, search in Google. And 170 rupees. Lakshmi Vilas. Okay. It's good for getting relief from cold. It contains 4040 tablets. We can take daily 1 or 2 tablets. For adults, I can recommend. It is suitable for me. Whether it is suitable or not for you, that I don't know. I use it and I get relief from cold. Correct? More detail you can get from Google search. Lakshmi Vilas Ayurved. Generally, Ayurvedic don't have any side effect. We have to take daily 1 or 2 tablets, one like that. At a time, one. We get somewhat relief from the cold.